So I'm Kate George. I'm the Sales and Technical Director at Synbiosis. So I'm a microbiologist by training, and we make microbiology automated imaging equipment. So we've been making imaging systems for the microbiology industry for over 20 years, and we've had imaging systems in the past where it relied on the user putting a plate in the system, and as time has gone on, they've decided that that's too much effort and they would like now for an automated plate feeder, and so we came to Labman to design this system. The AutoCOL is an automated walk-away system. So it's benchtop. It's able to read and image and analyze 100 plates in less than an hour. So the idea is the user simply loads the dishes, then walks away, and then the software is able to image the plates, count the plates, and then sort according to what parameters the microbiologist sets. So it's mainly pharma industries because it's quite a high ticket item compared to the Acolyte and the Protocol. So it's like the Pfizers and the Glaxos and people like that who need a regulatory compliance because the software is all CFR compliant, and the people with high throughput.
I'm Richard Edridge. I'm the Projects and Sales Manager for Synbiosis. So we were approached by a customer who had a specific requirement. It was beyond the realms of what we were able to offer, so we approached Labman to collaborate on the project. The initial ideas we had for the project, they were quite complicated, and there was a lot of engineering aspects to overcome. Paul Wheatley was able to, help us with this, with some conceptual ideas that he had. I've always liked working with Labman because they allow me to share my own engineering insights, even though that they're not at the same level as the Labman team. And if I have a good idea, they often will embrace it and see if it's plausible.
We've had a relationship with Labman for quite some time. They've built previous equipment with us, and so they were the first people that we thought of when we were looking at designing the AutoCOL. So the most important thing is that we can have a relationship with them, we're able to talk to them. The design spec obviously doesn't start as it finishes, so we needed to be able to regularly change and have input with them. We have a small software team at Synoptics, and so they work quite closely with the Labman software team, and we've kind of split it that we do some updates and Labman do some other work, so it's worked quite well in that sense. Smaller versions of the system is probably the next port of call, and then potentially something that is bigger. We can now measure 100 plates in less than an hour, but obviously customers then want to measure 200 plates in less than an hour, so that might be the next step.
The scope's evolved over time. Obviously there's been many revisions to it, but yeah, Labman have kept us updated the whole time. I'm really happy with the level of communication. Now we're at the stage of a prototype unit and we're just doing the testing and evaluation.